Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm so happy because I am doing another hair video. I know it's been a while, but I'm back, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I curl my hair. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends, turn on the notification bell, and let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is make sure my hair is all brushed out, which I already brushed my hair before I turned on the camera. Then I'm going to put my hair in a very high ponytail all the way on the top of my head. Once I do that, I get my curling iron, which I already had preheated. This is the Remington, the pink one, and I actually took the handle off of it. It has a detachable handle, and I'm only using the wand. So, yeah. Here we go. So basically, what I'm gonna do is just start getting small sections, and because I have all my hair at the top of my head, I don't have to change directions that I do the curls. I can do them all the same, and then when I take my hair down, it'll be the best curls that I know how to do. So, just gonna take small sections, and I'm gonna place the wand behind my hair, wrap the hair around it. When it comes out, I just twist it a little bit like this. And there you go, guys. The first curl. This is what it looks like. Super happy with it. By the way, guys, I'm not professional, as you can probably tell. I just do what works for me, and this works for me. And hopefully it works for you too. I have very thick hair, so usually it takes me a long time to curl my hair, but this technique, I guess this way of doing it in the high ponytail, I timed myself and it took 9.5 minutes about. So it worked for getting it done quickly. Last one. All right, guys, we are done curling the ponytail, and now I'm gonna just show you guys what I do next. I first kind of carefully take my hair out of the ponytail, and then I let it down. I'll part it. And that's it, guys. Take it down, check it. I'll see if there's anything that looks like it needs to be a little bit more curled. Sometimes the under ones need to be a little bit more curled. Looks like we're pretty good this time. Looks like one more I need to do. And that is it, guys. I'll either clip it up, maybe use a little bit of coconut or something if I want, but this looks really cute to me. This is how I do my curls, guys, and it works great for me, so I hope it works for you guys. If it does, tell me in the comments how you liked my curling technique, and yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.